popular trends, making adorable bows. There are so many creative styles out there, from festive Christmas bows, cowboy a Western vibe, to cheerful designs for the new year. And of course, there are plenty of fun options for kids too. And now with fluffy paws. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to take your embroidered paw design to the next level. We're not focusing on the stitching process this time. We're all about the finishing touches. I'll walk you through how to fluff up those paws, trim the thread on the back, and really make the design pop. First things first, make sure your embroidery is completely finished. Once the embroidery is finished, flip your garment over to the back side. Here, you'll see those long satin stitches. Take a pair of sharp scissors and carefully trim the bottom threads along the inner edge. Try to stay close to the center as you work. The thinner and sharper your scissors, the easier this process will be. I wouldn't recommend using a seam ripper for this step. It's much trickier and can cause accidents. This part of the tutorial is shown in real time, so you can see just how quick and simple it is. Trimming and fluffing the threads takes only a few minutes, 3 to be exact. And while we're on the topic, let me share an extra tip. This embroidery is perfectly safe to wash. I recommend using a laundry bag and following the thread care instructions for temperature. This way, your design will stay vibrant and last for a long time. Now that we've trimmed all the threads on the back, it's time to move on to fluffing up those cute paws. Once everything is trimmed, flip your garment back to the front. Using the tips of those scissors, or you can switch to scissors with blunt ends to avoid damaging the threads. Gently fluff up the paws to get that perfect, soft look. Take your time to shape them just right. After fluffing, you can go the extra mile by steaming the design. A little steam will help the threads lay nicely and enhance that fluffy, polished finish. Wear your creation with pride, and trust me, you'll get tons of compliments. Someone's bound to ask where they can get one too. So keep creating, enjoy the process, and explore all the fun variations this technique has to offer. And don't forget, there are so many other exciting projects available in the shop. You can create adorable animals in the fringe style or experiment with different kinds of text designs. There are so many unique fonts that will truly amaze you with their variety. I can confidently say that many entrepreneurs who have started their own clothing businesses have found great success using designs from Applique. They've received so many compliments on their creations, and now you can too.